Beauty is something that all women trying to maintain. The skin on a woman has been made in a manner that requires them to continuously care for it, and allow them to retain its smoothness for the remainder of their natural lives. Insufficient or poor skincare can cause the skin's natural beauty to fade. Every woman wants to try and take the best possible care of their skin to enable them to continue looking young and radiant. Hydressential serum oil is here to help them with this, and to ensure that the effects brought about by aging will not cause them any unwanted premature long-term issues. But how does this plant-based serum work, and does it have any visible benefits? Keep watching to learn more about what hydressential serum oil can do for the health of your skin. Is hydressential serum oil safe to use at home? Most women are convinced of changing how they look and will do anything imaginable to see these results. It's a decision that has seen some of them use products that only harm their skin and overall appearance even further. Fortunately, you don't have to worry about adverse reactions when using hydressential. The creators of this skincare serum understand the importance of reversing the damage caused to your skin. It's why they have invested a significant amount of time, effort, and resources towards creating a serum that will not cause any further damage. Instead, it will attempt to reverse the changes already made and prevent future damage from occurring. Hydressential serum oil will help you to realize that your skin can appear radiant without costing you too much or causing you to regret your skincare decisions. How to use hydressential? It's always best to ensure that you understand your expectations before rushing to use any new product. Many women are suffering from poor skin today because they didn't take their time to understand what a given product does, or even how it works. Once you have received your bottle of hydressential, it will be best to try to do all of the following. 1. Apply the oil as recommended on the packaging label. 2. Hydrate your body by drinking lots of water. 3. Make it a point to wash your face with cold water before applying the oil. 4. If possible, use the oil in the morning and evening before bed. 5. Exfoliate your skin whenever possible, but try to limit this to 2 times each week. 6. Eat a well-balanced diet filled with fruits and fresh vegetables. 7. Limit the number of times you use makeup on any given day. 8. Avoid sleeping with makeup. 9. Ensure you apply sunscreen to your face and other exposed parts of your body before leaving the house. Pricing and where to buy hydressential. Hydressential serum oil allows you to reclaim the beauty of your skin and maintain a glowing, flawless complexion. It has been made using natural ingredients that will enable you to free yourself from anxiety associated with poor health of the skin and wrinkles. It allows you to reverse any existing damage to your skin and can be purchased from the official website link in the description of the video. Its prices are as follows. All purchases come with free shipping. Hydressential is confident that its serum will fortify your skin health. However, should hydressential not live up to its promises, you can ask for a 100% full refund within 60 days.
Thanks for watching.
Please take a moment to click the thumbs up button and share this information with your family and friends. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Stay healthy.